here is another exciting tutorial for you. So I have an idea. For those of you that are into TapSwap, coin, all this tapping, and if you are an iPhone user, I have a very good idea for you. So right here, instead of once in a while like this, do just come down to settings. And when you get to your iPhone, come to accessibility. Then when you get to accessibility, click on touch. Then when you get to touch, click on assistive touch, which is on. Then when you get here, come down to customize custom gestures. Then click on custom gestures, and you can do as many as you want. Then save. You can name it new gestures. Name it new gestures. Then save. We have it already. Then let's go back to our tab and let's click on this, please. I have one already, which is 10 touch. That one is just only 10. Just click on 10 touch instead of you tapping once. So follow for more updates, guys. Bye.